Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, I want you guys to guess, take a wild flipping guess. Try to guess who these characters are. If you guess Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird, you are correct. Somebody out there is drawing Sesame Street characters as humans. And I do that too. I'm not gonna lie. I love to draw Sesame Street characters as humans, okay? I'm a big kid. I love Sesame Street, and I also like humans. But they're just drawing them more than humans. First off, I don't draw them as monsters. I kind of find that hard to do. But, people are actually shipping Oscar Grouch with Big Bird. And this is Jar Marks 93. You see what I'm saying? I just saw this one like a second ago. Oidy Grouch, Big Bird, and Oscar the Grouch's future daughter. First off, isn't Big Bird a dude? And Oscar the Grouch doesn't have feelings. Well, he does, but he doesn't like to show it. So what? He has a girlfriend, Grungetta. He's dating Grungetta. This makes no sense. What the hell? What the hell? What? Why does Big Bird's beak look like that? He's like an old man. What the heck? Oh my god. Good night, my bird Grouch. What? Okay. Well, have a rotten night, my turkey. You also, my Grouch. Dude, these two are never gonna be a thing. Also, what the hell? What is Big Bird doing in this panel? Is he like twerking on Oscar's can? Oscar the Grouch seems completely out of character here. But I want to know what's going on with Big Bird's face. Same here, what the heck? Are they in a boat? What? They're in a box, right? It's so hard to tell. It's just so out of character. Big Bird looks like an old lady meth head. What's this app called you used? There's a fan fiction. Guys, I'm gonna have to read this another time. You see what I'm saying? Are you kidding me right now? Guys, even children's cartoons aren't safe. People are shipping children's cartoons. Weird yellow dude. Okay, when in the show have you ever heard Oscar say dude? Must not get my heart to feel this nasty love. Oh wow, make Oscar the Grouch a tsundere. Wow. Are you kidding me right now, dude? Dude, I can't even sugarcoat this. You can't see it, but I am doing the biggest face palm right now. Oscar and Big Bird are making out. Kiss me tenderly, my Grouch. How about kiss me never? Wait a minute. Oscar's an adult and Big Bird is like 6, right? Isn't Oscar an adult? And Big Bird's like 6 years old. I forgot that for a second. You're shipping a child with an adult. Wow, cool base. Who'd you steal it from? That's what my friends do. Well, Oscar loves Big Bird how Helga is with Arnold. Scared of shivered feelings. First of all, I'm pretty sure it's obvious how Oscar feels about Big Bird, as stated by the show. Dude, it's a base. You could tell. Big Bird's outfit was trash. So are they girls now in here? Because Oscar's got a big butt. Same with Big Bird. Our private kiss. There's nothing private about it. You're in public. And the tongue thing? Are we seriously doing that? I want the Sesame Street people to see this picture and just say, I want to know their feelings. Sesame Street, contact me, Sesame Street. I love your show. Nope. Beauty and the Freaking Beast. You took the time to draw this artwork here, and you completely crapped all over Beauty and the Beast with your unique style. Oh my god. I really want Sesame Street to see this video right now. Tell me what you think of these pictures. I didn't draw them, by the way. Jarmex93 did. Jarmex, I don't know if you're watching this or not, but don't go doing stuff to me. Don't tell people to start hating on me, okay? This is all a joke. I'm doing this for jokes. That's disgusting. Their tongues don't even stick out. They're puppets. What's going on? And what's going on with Oscar's face? That's disgusting. People support this crap? Cringe. Just cringe. Oh wow, a comic. Guys, I'm gonna read this, guys. Turkey. I have a problem. You love to have problems, Oscar. You ever have problems, Oscar? Not for me. For this one fool I met with this stupid crush on this other fellow. Have any suggestions on how to get me feel scared to confess my love to him? No. What do I care? It's not. It's his problem, not mine. Just go away, Turkey. I just go on and confess. Anyways, here I got this for you. And just this one Christmas, I shall enjoy only for my stupid turkey cut. Guys, I was trying so hard not to laugh. What? Are you kidding me? This is so dramatic. Are they inside of a house? Are you kidding me right now, dude? What's going on with Big Bird's beak? Oh my god. And we're gonna end this off here, guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe. Please do not go hating on Jarmex93. But because I don't want her coming, or yeah, her. I don't want her to come and attack me. Alright? Just don't go hating on her, because she might go on and start attacking me. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and I'll be back for more.